I think I've just received one of the greatest packages through my front door.
Oh yeah.
Check that out. Buttress Pillow have sent me a little treat. Let's open it up. Moment of truth. Check it out. Here it is. The Buttress Pillow. It's so soft. It's just pure cushion. This video is over. So, it's a pillow. It's very soft. It's very silky smooth. It looks like a butt. That'll make any man happy. They also sent us a few cheeky extras. Let's have a look at what's inside. We got a mini butt. That's going right on my keys. You know, just in case you lose your butt, you've got another butt. Now this is luxurious. We've got the Buttress Pillow pin badge. Shorts collection. Lovely postcard with a message from the guys at Buttress Pillow. Got a nice big discount code. Another great sticker. And finally, all right. Oh la la. Aha, there we go. That's better. Now, unlike your normal pants, the label doesn't go on the butt side. The label actually goes on the flat side. Label. Flat side. Pull up from the legs. Good. Now we've got to do the little dance. And it's got this lip on the top. Just like a pillowcase. Boom. Oh. It just cradles your head. Let's get these on there as well. Same again, unlike normal pants. This label on the flat side. Size 16 large. That's the way it's meant to be. There we go. So you see, now with these buttress pillows, there is a sweet spot right around here, which makes it super comfortable to lay your head. Designed to cradle your head, sleep on it on your side, stomach, and back. Lay on the pillow on the couch. You can lounge around on it, read a book on it, use it for a back support. Do whatever you want. Just have fun. I think it's time for an early night.